Welcome back, kindergartners. Here we are again at Number Corner with Mrs. Judd. Today we're going to be going over our calendar. We get to add a penny. We're going to make observations. And then we get to do some cool story problems with our cubes. So if you have your cubes, grab them. And you guys can help me answer the story problems with our cubes. Okay, let's start the way we start all the time. And I love seeing you guys on campus. You know I ask you the same question every time. Let's get into it. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday. That's the day we're on. Today is Thursday. So today is, we don't even know the date. What do you guys think are going to be on those dots? If yesterday was the 3rd, good. I heard a whole lot of you say 4 dots, Mrs. Judd. Ooh, we have 2 red and 2 blue. So there is an equal amount of red and blue. Equal amount of red and blue. And we'll write that down on the chart in just a minute. Okay, now we can say the date. So today's date is Thursday, February 4th, 2021. Good job. Okay, let's go ahead and do our links and our dots. Yesterday we were in school 104 days. Today it's 105. And how many more do we need to get to 10? Ooh, I heard a ton of you say 5 more to get to 10. And you are correct. And when I fill in this, you'll be able to see it also. That we have 5 across the top. And we need 5 more to get to 10 and fill this out. Since I'm here, let's go ahead and fill in our chart. So it was how many dots? 4. Good job. How many are red? 2. And how many are blue? 2. Good job. And we decided to say they are equal. So the dots are equal. Let's say the color of the dots are equal. Okay, the color of dots are equal. Okay, let's add a penny. Okay, I'm putting in 1 more penny. How many does that make? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to write a penny tree. So today's penny tree is, we're trying to get to 5. We have 4 in the pouches and 1 empty pouch waiting. Okay, 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay. Think we've covered everything on my wall. Now we get to do story problems. So my story problems we're going to use the cubes to answer my story problems. So I'm going to start with my lighter color cubes. I have 2 colors. I have red and blue. My red is going to be my lighter and my blue is my darker. So I'm going to tell you guys a farm animal story, but first, what farm animals do you guys know? Oh, that one's a good one. Oh, that one's another good one. Ooh, that one's a good one. Okay, so I heard that you guys know there's chickens on a farm, there's horses on a farm, there's pigs on a farm, and there are cows on a farm. You guys gave me a lot of good farm animals. So today we're going to use cows. We could use any animals, but today we're going to use cows. So my first story problem is, once there were 3 cows eating grass in the field. So I'm going to take my lighter cubes, And if you guys don't have a 10-frame map, you can just put it on the table in front of you. So 3 cows were out eating grass in the field. Then 4 more came to eat grass. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to show you a couple ways that we can do this on our whiteboard to help us count. The first way is there's 3 cows that were already there. 4 more came along. That's one way. And then we can use the bigger of the numbers. Go 4, 5, 6, 7. Or I had 3 here and 4 more came along. So I filled in my top, which I knew was 5, 6, 7. So altogether, how many cows are out in the field eating grass? Good, 7. Nice work, you guys. Okay, go ahead and clear your boards. We're going to move on to a second farm animal. So now this time I'm going to actually use cards. I have our 5-frame cards. And this is going to help us tell, or help me tell you guys a story problem. Okay, so first I'm going to use horses. And so there are 3 horses in a barn. So I'm going to use my light colored one, put 3 horses. And now 2 more came in because it was cold outside. So I'm going to start by putting 2 just so that I know all the parts of my story. But I'm going to help myself and make my adding easier. So I am going to move these 2 up. So how many horses are in the barn altogether? 5. Good job. So I'm going to come back and ask you guys some questions. Why did I put 3 cubes down first? Great, because that's what we started with. We started with 3 horses. So I had to put 3 cubes down. Why did I put 2 cubes down? 2 more horses came into the barn. Good. And if I had to write this as an equation, I think I'm going to try to write it here because I'll be able to erase it. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Why did I have to put a plus sign? Good, because 2 more came and we want to know our total. And why did I put the 5? Nice, that was our total. 3 plus 2 equals 5. That's pretty interesting that we've been working with 5s and our total came up to 5. Okay, you guys, that was a lot of work and I'm really proud of your first time doing story problems with me. Good job. Okay, our 2 questions are, what did we observe today? So our observation today is the color of dots are equal. Or you can say they were equal. But the color of dots are equal. And what 2 farm animals did we talk about today? Good job. We talked about cows and horses. Okay, you guys, I will see you tomorrow on Friday. Bye, you guys.